If you're looking to record your CrankWheel screen shares quickly and easily, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll break down exactly how you can do it, and I'll even show you some tips to make it all smoother. Stick with me till the end, because I've got a special bonus that will help you get even more out of CrankWheel for free. Now, CrankWheel is an incredible tool that allows you to share your screen instantly, and it's great for giving live demos, presentations, or walkthroughs with your audience. But what if you want to record these screen shares for later use? It's simple and doesn't require any extra complicated software. Let's dive in. Next thing, the first step is ensuring you're logged into your CrankWheel account. You should have your session set up and ready to go. Whether you're sharing a product demo or conducting a sales call, once your screen share starts, you're almost ready to begin recording. For the second thing, CrankWheel itself doesn't have a built-in recording function, but don't worry, you can use other screen recording tools to capture everything. There are tons of free and paid options out there. A quick, simple solution is using a tool like OBS Studio or even the built-in screen recorder in Windows or Mac. These work great with CrankWheel and let you capture your screen share without any interruptions. The third thing, when using a third-party tool to record, make sure to set it up before you start your CrankWheel screen share. You want to ensure it's recording the right screen and audio so that your viewers can see and hear everything perfectly. Do a quick test to check that everything's in sync. Next thing, once you've started your screen share in CrankWheel, start the recording on your chosen software. Depending on the tool you use, this is usually just a single click. While recording, make sure to stay focused on the key points you want to highlight for your audience. You don't want to overload the video with unnecessary info. Keep it tight and clear. The fifth thing, after you've finished your screen share, don't forget to stop the recording. You can now go ahead and save your video file to your computer. From there, you can edit, trim, or upload it wherever you need, whether it's for marketing, training, or just sharing with clients. Lastly, if you want to make your recordings even better, consider adding annotations or callouts in post-production to highlight key details in your CrankWheel screen share. This can really elevate the experience for your viewers. Before we wrap up, here's the good part. You can try CrankWheel completely free through the first link in the description below. But that's not all. I'm also giving you exclusive bonuses that will make your experience even better. Don't miss out on this. Thanks for watching, and remember to use this method to record your CrankWheel screen shares next time you want to keep a session for future reference. Check the link below for your extended free trial and get started right now.